Outstanding design defines the 2015 Infiniti Q70. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Infiniti prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, rain-sensing wipers, and power windows. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Infiniti also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.